watch this twist. Hey, what it is, what it do, what it be, y'all. If you are returning, what's up, Wolfies? And if you're new here, hi. My name is Milagro, aka Miracle, and welcome to the LCF family. So, on today's agenda, I'll be taking you guys through my 2021 curly hair routine for 3C/4A hair. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Hey y'all, so this is the current state of my hair. It is definitely curly, but as you can see with curly hair, you get knots, you get tangles, you get dryness, that's all you get. But lucky for me, even though I still have a lot of length showing in this video, and okay, shake it ma'ams to the peace sign, and so now we're about to get it right and get to show you guys what my current curly hair routine looks like. And of course, you know, me being me, I have to try and show the length, partly for you guys, partly for myself. And okay, get the lighting right. Girl, that's bright. Alrighty, let's get into it. So first off, the first step of this video is to rinse my hair, which I have done. You probably won't be seeing me actually rinse my hair because it's kind of time and tedious. I'm just taking water from the faucet at the top of my shower. I have one that you can pull down. And here's me trying to show off my hair with it just being wet, even though knowing it's still tangled, still dry, it's still a mess. Just, yeah, as you can see. So step 2 to this whole process is shampooing. Currently I am using the Function of Beauty's shampoo. I got this duo, the shampoo and the conditioner, for Christmas in last December 2020. So it's definitely lasted me a long time, and I made the mistake, I think, of getting silicone. So I'm not really sure if I like how silicone is. I've been testing out different shampoos to try and see which one I really like the best, but so far I kind of like this one. I'm not really 100% sure though. I'm just making sure I'm cleaning my scalp, as you can see. So let's speed this along. Alrighty, now that we're good and shampooed, as you can see, I rinsed my hair again. You can see what I was meaning with having the silicones, how I feel like it kind of dries out my hair. Let me know down below if your shampoo kind of dries out your hair as well. It could also be a mix of the water in our house when I am rinsing it out. I don't know if it's like rough water and it needs a filter in it, so I don't know. Let me know down below if you have any tips as well. And now I am preparing my hair, getting ready to do a mask. I like to do a mask once a week because, as you saw in the beginning, my hair gets really dry, and being in the summertime with humidity and everything, it's just not fun. It's not fun at all walking around looking like a big poodle when you want your curls kind of defined, but also kind of with volume, you know? Sometimes you can't get best of both worlds, so you do what you do. But this also has been a process. I started really embracing my curly hair when I was a sophomore in high school. Currently, I am a junior, or about to be a junior, in college, so my hair has really changed over the course of these years, so I've gotten pretty good at knowing how to section off my hair and what to do with it as well to make sure I get the best moisture and make sure that the product is evenly distributed through my hair as well. So what I first like to do is detangle my hair a little bit with my fingers, because it gets a little tangled, and trying to put that product in there and not being able to distribute it evenly, it really kind of defeats the purpose with everything. So here's me just trying to make sure all them tangles out in the beginning. Alright, so now that my hair has all of the deep conditioner in it, or the hair mask as I'd say, I am getting ready to tie it on the top of my head into like a little knot. So during this time, the reason that I twist it in the 4 sections is one, to keep it out of my face because I need to get through the other sections, but two, it's also a better way for all of the hair to be wrapped around and get more of the product inside of it. And I like to comb my fingers through my hair while the product is in there, because as you can see, this is where the 3C part comes in with my hair, because you'll see in the end how much it really does shrink. But while I'm washing it and while I am putting product and different things in it, okay, something just on my face and I just didn't like that. All right. See, this is why I be going off on a tangent. But anyway, my hair, when it is wet and it has like water or moisture in it, or I'm at the beach, it stays long. But as soon as it dries and it's finished for the rest of the day and air dries, it just shrinks. And I'm just can't wait for you to see in the end, because as you see the length check, that's literally what I mean by curly hair with 3C/4A is a blessing and a curse. So now I wait about an hour before I do anything else. And in that time, either I'm probably shaving my legs or reading my book. Yes, I'm one of those people that like to read for fun. It's just a hobby that I like to do. Or I might even be talking to my mom, watching YouTube videos, or just really about anything I can do in that hour just to pass the time. And okay, girl, shake it, shake it, shake it. I see you. Okay. This is the only part when I was doing this video, I was like, this gray cast make me look old. And this is the first time I look old to anybody, because I look like 13 when really I'm 20. And yeah. But, so now I am getting ready to rinse my hair again, rinse out the mask. And okay, what was going on in my shower? This time you'll see how much more moisturized it is with the mask. I love using these two masks together because it brings the moisture back into my hair, and it really shows like a little bit more of definition as well, since I do use a brush to kind of help detangle it a little bit as well, which you see on in a few in the video. So now next up is time to get ready to condition my hair. So I know you're probably wondering, like, okay, you just deep conditioned your hair, why on earth would you condition it right after? Well, the reason I deep condition my hair is because during the deep conditioning, it allows it to loosen up enough for me to detangle my hair fully with a brush, and so that is not that hard, and not a lot of hair will come out of my head. And I didn't really start doing this until like 2 years ago, watching several YouTube videos and just trying different methods, because every girl out there or guy, we don't like losing hair when we are trying to wash it. Just hands down, you try to retain as much length and keep as much hair on your head as possible. My mom is one to definitely be somebody like that, who just tries to keep every ounce of hair on her head. So now I am using the conditioner from what was this place called? Now I forgot the name of the place, but you know what I'm talking about. I'm using the conditioner from Function of Beauty, there we go, as well as Shea Moisture Intense Hydration conditioner as well. And I'm using a tingle teaser. Now I have gone through so many brushes, y'all, but I recommend this one to anybody. I love this tingle teaser. It glides right through my hair. It doesn't pull. I hardly have any hair come out of it. It is just one of the most amazing brushes that I've had in a long time. And okay, do your little dancey dance. And yeah. So now this is the part where I am just zooming through the rest of my hair. I wish this was in real time, because Lord knows, if this was real time, I'd be done with my wash day routine in like 20 minutes. It takes me like 2 hours sometimes, especially when I'm doing other hairstyles. So Alright, now that 30 minutes has passed and me and my little piglets are fully finished, it is time to rinse my hair again. But first, of course, I had to take all of these apart because I never rinse my hair with the twists in. I find that it doesn't get all the product out at once as it should. I don't know if anybody else washes their hair with the twist in their hair. If you do, let me know how that works for you down below, because sometimes I don't feel like taking it loose. But so this is me taking the loose hair, fully conditioned. Got all the conditioner in it. And this, I also like using these two conditioners because it also helps with moisture. And that's all I really ever need when I'm doing my hair is moisture for it, because I like it to be full and bouncy, but having it dry, that don't make it no better. So here's me just trying to show you my hair in a close-up. And now I'm using one of my favorite, can you tell it's my favorite leave-in conditioners? It's the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. Y'all, this has been like a holy grail for me for so long. Maybe I need to do a curly hair favorites video. Comment down below if you want to see that, because I would surely be glad to be able to do that and help you guys out. But especially if you have 3C 4A hair, because I know there's not that many videos out there about this hair type. But as you see here, I am putting my hair in a pineapple, if you know, you know, and getting ready to go to sleep. And the next day, this is me in my bonnet in all her glory. And I told y'all, my hair will just kind of shrink and look like a mop on the top of my head. Like, what is that? If I walked out like that, I feel like everybody would just stare at me. So we're getting ready to fix this up and doll this up for church. And most of the time, I always go to sleep on Saturday night with my hair with leave-in conditioner in, and then on Sunday morning is when I style it, because I used to in the past style it at night on Saturday night, and I wake up in the morning and it looked like that, and it's like all of the product will be gone. Granted, I didn't have a satin bonnet back then, so that could be one of the big reasons, but I wasn't taking no chances, so I'd rather do it Sunday morning, let it dry, even if it's at church kind of wet. I take that risk because I'd rather it dry with the product in it, and so it can be good and shiny and bouncy, than me go to sleep on it and it look rough as it did. So first, I am applying water, and I'm adding a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner to my hair because, as I said, it's my favorite, and I just love it so much. And next, I will be also adding a twisting cream from Cream of Nature. This is a fairly new product that I've been really liking, but I added as well to get that butterlicious look to my hair. And I have started using a wide tooth comb. Y'all, this has made such a difference. The Tangle Teaser that I used to use that to define my curls. Biggest mistake, it shrunk my hair. Using a wide tooth comb, it made the game changer. Like, my hair literally will not shrink as much, and adding in this gel is also amazing from Sabella. And like, look at that, my hair won't shrink as much. It looks great, it looks long. I mean, granted, it's still gonna shrink because that's just the nature of my hair, but it will shrink slower, and it also will retain a little bit more length than if I was to use the Tangle Teaser on my hair. So here's me just fast forwarding, finishing my hair. As I said, I really wish I could go in this time. I would be so done so much quicker. I have to sometimes get up more early just to be able to even do this before church, because it'd be taking me a minute, not gonna lie. So now with the finished product, I'm going to take out that bow. It's like that. I got mad because I was like, look, I'm trying to have my moment here and to show you my hair before it is dry. This is what my hair looks like. Freshly, okay, lighting, if you don't work with me, this is what my hair looks freshly done with all the product in it. As you can see, I can swing it. It's pretty, it's elongated, but y'all, my hair does not stay this length. But I did want to show you. This is where my curls stop. Of course, I gotta add some oil just to make sure it's moisturized. But this is where my curls stop right now with my hair being done, and I promise you, it used to stop like at my ears by just using a brush to try and define it, and this way it's still defined as well. So I'm really liking it. And I just add oil to the ends because, you know, them ends be dry and crusty too, and I just don't like dry and crusty ends. And I'm not one for a middle part. I always do a side part, and I recently just really like this side, even though it doesn't show my piercings on it. Fun fact, I got 2 helix piercings on my birthday, and they kind of hurt, but they also, I want to go get more, and that's kind of sad to say, but I'm probably more than likely not going to get more just because I'm good with what I got. But here we go, y'all. This is me trying to retain more length, as always. Just trying to and look at myself and be like, ooh, who is she? Who's that girl? But this is the end. This is the ending product before I show you that it is dry, but this is the before with it wet. And I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. I hope it gave you some great ideas. That's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to become an official member of the LCF family. Comment down below if you want to see a tutorial on how to achieve these luscious twists on my head, or just any videos that you want to see in general. With all that being said, XO Milagro.